Hi, my name is Karina with Hörmann, and today I'll be introducing the Orion 3200 Garage Door Series. Orion doors are assembled with a polystyrene foam core bonded with industrial-grade adhesive between two steel layers. Our Orion 3200 series comes in a 2-inch foam insulation that provides an 8.9 R value for effective energy efficiency. Hörmann also includes a 3100 series that provides an 1 3/8 thickness with a 6.3 R value. Each door even comes included with a pre-painted white end cap for a complete and clean finish. Let me draw your attention to our special safety feature. You can see here that we have pinch-resistant section joints. This unique FingerGuard design pushes my finger out when placed within the interior and exterior joints of the door, therefore reducing the risk of trapped fingers for you and your loved ones. Our commitment to quality is further enhanced as you take a look at Hörmann's between section and side seals. These factory-installed seals are crucial in keeping out wind, rain, debris, and other elements from entering into your garage. They're also a practical way to offer maximum protection while adding more insulation properties to the door. Our specially designed, heavy-duty, solid, pre-lubed pin hinges don't require any extra maintenance. They also don't have sharp edges that can catch on your clothes or objects in your garage. Our Orion 3200 series comes in 9 standard colors and is finished with either wood grain or a stucco embossing. Our doors can also be customized with a decorative hardware kit to enhance the beauty of your door. This particular door model features our ranch design. Additional selections include traditional, country, and cottage that are sure to match your home style and natural decor. At Hörmann, our attention to detail matters, which you'll be able to see in our window motifs and various glass options. For example, our windows are recessed into the panel of the door instead of sitting above the panel surface like many of our competitors. Our inside window frames are also injection molded. Each frame is assembled using screws, which you'll appreciate if you ever need to replace a broken pane of glass. Solid piece injection molded windows are another important Hörmann benefit that are less likely to fail in comparison to our competitors' welded frames. This high-quality composite offers a class-leading resistance to heat, color fade, and any risk of it losing its original shape. So take your pick from over 200 different window motifs and glass combinations to not only add natural light into your garage, but to add beauty and value to your home. At Hörmann, we've lived the philosophy that a good name must be earned for over 4 generations. We proudly stand behind our entire product line with industry-leading warranties. All of our steel door sections come with a limited lifetime warranty, which means that we guarantee your garage door's durability for as long as you own your home. We also further set ourselves apart by the warranties that we provide on the springs and hardware of our doors. Thank you so much for your attention today. We hope that you'll visit us at our website at www.hörmann.us for more information and to find your local authorized dealer.